Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to make a group on Snapchat. Now, this is fairly easy. So let's say you're here on your Snapchat. If you're on camera, just scroll on the left side here and go to the right down corner icon, which is basically a chat icon here, which is blue. So click on it. Here, as you can see, you can click new group right here and you can name a group. So for example, we can add Simon, we can add myself here. We can create a group name which is going to be, for example, friends, and then chat with group here. And as you can see, you will have right now, and you will be able to chat with group. Since I added myself, I cannot obviously, I cannot chat in a group. I can only chat with a Simon because I added Simon and myself in the group, right? But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. Again, go to the blue, and then you can add anyone to this group. For example, Team Snapchat, Simon, myself, and then chat with a group. And as you can see, obviously we can't create a group with Team Snapchat, right? So you can only create group with people that added you as a friend. Just keep that in mind. So that's pretty much how to make a group on Snapchat. It's fairly simple, really simple. If you have any questions or difficulties creating a group, then comment down below and I'll make sure to help you out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.